Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about persistence. But before moving on to talking about the basics of persistence, what it is and what are the benefits, because we are all aware of it, I'm here to tell you today what are the real changes that persistence causes inside your brain and why at all one should be persistent. क्या आपको वो टाइम याद है जब स्कूल में आप कोई भी टॉपिक पे, फॉर एग्जांपल आपने मैथ्स के अलजेब्रा का कोई फॉर्मूला सीखा एंड विद दैट वन फॉर्मूला हमें 10 to 15 क्वेश्चंस का होमवर्क मिल जाता था. व्हाट वाज द आइडिया बिहाइंड इट? या किसी भी टॉपिक पे हम बहुत सारे मॉक टेस्ट सॉल्व करते थे, बहुत सारे प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट सॉल्व करते थे. व्हाट वाज द आइडिया बिहाइंड इट? कोई भी एवरेज स्टूडेंट 2 से 3 बार में एक फॉर्मूला तो सीख ही लेता है. बट व्हाट वाज द आइडिया देन टू डू दोस 10 or 15 क्वेश्चंस? The idea was that with those repeated and continuous efforts put on that one formula, it will become a part of your memory, जिसको हम actually practice बोलते हैं. So with practice, the next time you're posed with a similar set of questions, even different combination of numbers, your brain will actually evoke that formula from its memory and you will be able to solve the problem. So persistence leads to continuous and repeated practice. And repeated continuous practice with intent focus on the outcome leads your brain to form certain patterns. Those patterns are actually responsible for eventually the habits that we form, but habits are a topic for discussion later. Today we're going to take a step back and talk about these patterns that are formed with continuous persistent effort. And this is not only about learning algebra or learning mathematics. This can be applied anywhere. With persistence, there are real changes that happen inside your brain which makes your brain more efficient over a period of time. So it can be applied anywhere, as I said. Sports में होता है, आप कोई गिटार सीखते हो, कोई language सीखते हो. For example, in the first few guitar classes that you might go to, you will be only made to learn the basic chords, the basic notes. Whether or not you're perfect in the beginning, whether or not you're playing well at the beginning, you remember the chords well. But over time, with that persistent effort that you're putting in whatever you want to achieve, one fine day you will perfect the form. So what you actually call automatic is not that automatic in the real sense. Inside you, you have just shortened that process where your brain processes some information and signals your senses to produce a reaction. You have basically just shortened that process, because with that persistent effort that you've put in to learn the chords of the guitar, your fingers are automatically placed because your brain has learned the pattern, right? So persistence teaches your brain real-time behaviors, real positive behaviors if actually you want to. You teach your brain focus, you teach your brain efficiency and learning step by step. So actually just imagine if you can teach your brain behavior, and in all of my previous videos I've actually harped upon how your behavior causes real changes inside your brain. So you can actually make your brain learn anything with persistent effort. Similarly, you can also teach your brain some negative traits. You can teach your brain to become lazy, and over the period of time you will stop even feeling guilty about it, because that's the pattern that's formed inside your brain. So now whatever you're posed with, whether you want to go to the gym, your brain will give you 10,000 excuses. Whether you want to eat healthy, your brain will give you excuses, because that's a pattern, that's what you've taught it, right? But the good part is that with effort, intent effort, consistent and persistent effort, you can also reverse that behavior and teach it differently. So with persistence, you teach your brain continuity, repetition, and when you repeat something over and over again, it forms a part of your system. So persistence initially may seem to be the high road, but in the process, you come out as a stronger person. In that process, you learn to deal with pain, you learn to deal with rejections, you learn to deal with focus. But why do you learn to deal with this? Because you're just so single-mindedly focused on the outcome. So your efforts do not stop no matter what. So persistence may just be, may just seem to be like something difficult at the beginning, something that you're not good at the beginning, but it will only help you inch closer and closer towards your goal. So people, if you like this video, I come out with videos every Monday and Thursday of the week, so stay tuned in. If you like what I say, if you like my content, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.